Mop balm restorers are a great, fast, economic way to rejuvenate your wax and bring up a nice gloss. But the most important reason to use a mop balm restorer is that it makes the surface of the floor non-slippery. So these are slip-resistant mop balm restorers. The one I'm going to use today is called Topaz. Topaz dilutes for mop balm restoration at 4:1 or 1 quart per gallon. I have 2 gallons of cold water in my bucket. Therefore, I'm going to put 2 quarts of Topaz in the water. Again, using a measuring cup. More is not better. I want to measure properly so that I can maximize the performance of the product. Topaz is a combination of synthetic detergent and dirt removers and some floor finish polymer. So its action does 2 things. It removes whatever soil I missed in my damp mop process and leaves a film of polishing compound on the floor that can be burnished out to a high gloss. To apply Topaz properly, after I dilute it, I'm going to use the same technique that I used for damp mopping. So I'm going to make sure my mop is saturated with the product. And I'm only going to use Topaz or any mop balm restorer on a clean floor. It's not really built to remove dirt. It's built to enhance the shine and increase the slip resistance of the floor. Damp mop. Again, I frame out. Frame out the area I'm about to work. And the idea is to get the Topaz, get the restorer on the floor. Now what you're going to notice is this is going to haze out the floor. What you see hazing out the floor is the polishing compound. That polishing compound can be burnished as soon as the floor is dry, or it can be burnished the next day. It doesn't matter because the polishing compound is not going to make the floor slippery once it's dry. So again, I could damp mop with Topaz one day, damp mop with my restorer one day, and burnish another. The mop balm restorer has been applied to the floor, and I'm going to make sure that no one slips in it while it's wet with my wet floor signs.